So here we are in the authoring tool. Today what we're going to look at is how to build and create a course, starting from the course themes, where we can select a outline or an image or a style which is best suited towards a business. We're then going to apply a theme to a course, and in that course we can start to create the content, and then with that content we can then start to display in other systems such as the LMS or in the learning hubs, which you would have learned about in other videos. So right now we're logged in as an admin here, and we're going to start by going into the course themes. As I mentioned, we have a number of default themes, but more importantly we can create our own themes for businesses for display purposes. So if we go into a sales presentation, we can customize the look of our existing courses towards the client, or we can show them the variation of opportunities they can have when it comes to creating themes. So what I'll do now is I'll go and edit an existing theme so you can see how they are created. So the style of this menu on the left is very similar to other menus when you create hubs, for example. It's all about getting the right HTML color codes, and you can get color pickers which you can attach to Chrome extension, and by using them you can select certain colors from the screen. So to get this sort of crimson red here, we click on it and then we can take that image code and we can put it in. So to build a theme, it's just simply putting a title, uploading a logo, ideally with a transparent background, choosing the color of the background for the icons and the navigation buttons at the bottom here. What we're viewing on the right hand side is how a course would be presented. So the background, the colors, the design, everything here, it was what would fit behind a course being played. So the information in front of the screen, like the text box here, the answers true and false here, these would remain the same regardless of what theme were applied. We're simply just changing the overall back look feel. Once we've designed the theme, we then go into the menu, we go to courses, and we can start to create content from here. So again, what I'll do is I'll edit an existing course so you can get an idea of how this works. So I'll go on to edit, takes us into the builder here, and in the builder we can select and create pages. So on the left side here I click add new page, I can name that page and it'll be added into this sequence of which I can reorganize anything. The materials on screen are all drag and drop. If I want to add more materials, I simply go on add assets. So there's around 20 assets or so in here. You'll get access to the help desk docs, which will help and explain each of these assets to you. It's worth reading through how to use them. There'll be some training later on how to build a course. But this is just an introduction for now into the authoring tool.